What's going on? What's going on? How's it going? I haven't talked to y'all in a while. Haven't talked to you. That's something on my mind. I was just watching this XFL football game. Them games are pretty decent, man. They're not the same quality as say the NFL. You know what I mean? But they're entertaining. You know what I mean? Some of the quarterback arms they do be a little spaghetti-ish. But you know what I mean? These dudes play hard, man. And it's a good product that helps fill the void. For everybody that doesn't know me, my name is Shawn Cole, online entrepreneur, and I just want to hop on and like I said, I was watching this XFL game, and it got me thinking about Vince McMahon, right? Because we all know that this is his second go around. This is his second rodeo. We're trying to put together a football league, and I want to talk on that and what we can learn from Vince McMahon and the XFL. Um, there is no need to be afraid of failure. Failure is a part of the process of becoming successful, right? I think we all can get that. We all can understand it by now. Um, but it's all based off society and our beliefs. Our culture, worships success. Winning, winning acceptance. Into a university, landing a job at a brand name company, selling a startup, you know, big stuff, man, will get you praise and accolades and everybody congratulating you on stuff, right? Milestones like these are, they're celebrated constantly in the media, and on social media since it's gotten big, right? Accomplishment, it feels great, and just observing others succeed can be the inspiration you need to move forward and face challenges, right? Makes you work harder, and basically do what it takes, to reach your own goals. But I want to talk to you about failure. Failure, has been looked upon as a cause for shame and apologies, right? Something that a lot of people like to cover up. But I don't look at it like that. I think failure should be celebrated. But as anyone, who has achieved anything worth, knows that failure is a part of the journey. Just look at what some of our most accomplished people in history has said about failure. Just do your research. What they learned and how they grown from having a setback in life, right? Winners are not afraid of failing. I failed. I failed before. I failed many times, and not just say in business, in life. I failed to reach goals. I didn't reach my goal this month that I had set for myself. But am I upset? Yeah, a little bit, but it's fine. It's okay. I'll keep this same goal again, for this month here in March. And I'll keep it until I reach it. Right? I'll just learn from it. Learn, take a look at, what I could have done better, increase my energy, my output, just pretty much just keep grinding. You become a better person for failure. I'm a better person for failure. It keeps you humble and it keeps you hungry. That's what failure does to you. So with that being said, I'm done. I'm not done my message. Pretty much what I had to say, get off my chest about failure. Not gonna hold you too much. I usually don't. I have work to do, goals to crush, people to talk to. But look, with this being said, this time of the year, we all know that usually around this time, people that have set goals for the year have kind of fallen off, right? Take this opportunity, take this month of March to kind of reevaluate that and to get started again. Don't, because you haven't stuck to your plan that you set at the beginning of the year or the goal that you set at the beginning of the year, don't let that stop you. Get back on your horse, get started again, right? So again, like I said, the message today is about failure. Failure is a good thing. Failure isn't bad. Start looking at it a little different. Like I said, look at Vince McMahon in the XFL. This is his second go around. First time failed miserably. this time it looks pretty successful because what he did, he took a look at it, reevaluated it, and came back with a better product. And that's pretty much how business works. All right. I hope this message here could help you and inspire you to keep it going. If you have any questions or you're looking for something, to give you motivation, send me a message. I can help you out. If you're looking to put a little extra money in your pocket, got some money you might want to invest into a business, send me a message. I got several things for you to take a look at and discuss and join a part of a winning team, a supportive team that can help you grow personally and financially. All right. Thanks for listening. I appreciate it. Again, my name is Shawn Cole. If you have any questions, send me a message or you can reach me 410-929-3390. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.